room recorder and I'll send you a copy.
Good.
Go for it. Bring it back. Now she's getting because when your wife sent me the text this morning, no. I'm thinking, right away in my head, I'm thinking because the way the problem was before, you had issues right here. And it was right connected there. So I'm thinking I'm going to chop the pipe off real quick and feed the cable to there. So, well, I'm
disconnect the roots. So
Oh, good.
it seems like it's flowing pretty well.
yeah.
Stupid roots.
Yeah. Well, the main thing is not broken. Yeah, you don't have your parents' issues, believe me. If you have your parents' issues, then you'll have a lot of problems. And they got a lot of big issues there. Well, they have two issues.
Yeah, my mom was just gonna sell that house probably
Yeah.
eventually, and somebody's gonna buy it, and you know they're gonna just demolish it.
Yeah, the area, yeah.
For now, there's no point of putting money into it.
I understand. I get it. I'm happy with that. I think it was happy. I'm still gonna make Joseph for this.
Come on, Joseph.
And that's just because there's probably a lip there. And little offset's supposed to be going downhill, but it might be going uphill a little bit. We're okay with that. If we were running water, it would be a better visual. So we got some water running. Just like that's a little back pitch. Where we at footage-wise?
81.
You want? There's that blade.
Blade.
Oh, is that what is that?
And that's the old root that'll come out. Once you flush
And
it
that's
out,
the roots right there. That's stuck onto the blade.
Yeah.
Right there.
Go for it, bring it back. You can take it out. That'll come out once you bring it out. It's already loose. There's no hub connection. Hey Joseph, not for nothing, this monitor makes it look better, no?
Yeah. Clear. It's clear.
Good again?
It's clear.
Yeah.
And, old man.
We're getting closer to over here. Happy with that outcome. Like I said, eventually, when the roots further out, once you hit about 95 or so, remember we're losing a couple feet here, and there's not much we can do about it. Once those roots over there start overwhelming, that's when you have to let the money fill it out. You gotta make up that difference. And more than likely, that cleanout will probably be right by your sidewalk right there in your driveway. That's why it's so expensive, is because of you didn't have your driveway, those grass, believe me, it'll be almost half the price.
Wow.
Because everything that you take out of the ground has to be hauled away. You can't use it. Because what would happen, I know a lot of people put it back in. What would happen, don't turn it off, it'll settle in the ground and stuff.